Welcome back to the Sunday reading class. Today we will see a very interesting story. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprints. Robinson Crusoe was a person who has discovered a footprint. Now let us start reading. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years. See, here we are reading. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprints on the sand. Let's find out what did he do then. What he did then. One day when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed and I listened. I looked around me. Next line. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprints but than one. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. I stayed a long time thinking but became more and more confused. See, now our hero is confused. At last I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. और एकदम मिस्टेक हो सोच रहे थे ऐसा तो नहीं कि हर ट्री और बुश कोई आदमी है और बहुत कंफ्यूज थे. When I came to my cave, which I call my castle, I ran inside it. After if I was being chased, I did not remember whether I used a ladder or went in by hole in the rock, which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out of the sea in a small boat. Luckily, I was not on the shore that time. But what if it had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. So I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. But even now I went forward. I looked behind me frequently, but I was still very frightened. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprints once more. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. As I came closer to the footprints, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside the footprints, it seemed larger than my own. My fear returned. I went home believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. Adapted from Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe. So this was our story. यहाँ पे ये बहुत ज़्यादा डरे हुए हैं क्योंकि इनको जब ये आगे चलते हैं तो इनके पीछे जब मुड़ के देखते हैं तो कुछ फुटप्रिंट्स दिखाई देते हैं और हमारे जो कैरेक्टर है रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो ये बहुत ज़्यादा डर गए हैं इससे. तो हमारी रीडिंग क्लास तो ओवर हो गई है. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट रीडिंग क्लास. आप इंग्लिश क्लास में ज़रूर इस चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन देखेंगे. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस रीडिंग क्लास. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ गुड डे.